Hello everyone, welcome to Liberebil. I hope all of you had a wonderful week so far, and I hope you're going to have a good Monday tomorrow. You guys are going to see the Integra Type R video up tomorrow. Really good car, really awesome drive and fantastic sound, so wear some headphones. You're definitely going to be immersed in that video. Thank you so much to Toyota South Africa for sending me the Toyota Fortuner. I'm still surprised that Toyota is sending some cars out. They're actually sending me the new Corolla as well, which I'm going to do an interesting video with for all of you. Thought so far, I think I had my expectations very high before I got it. It's bloody good. I drove it last night to town. There was a bus that burnt down on, is it the Val Drive? And I was stuck in traffic with it. And I started to understand the appeal of a Toyota Fortuner, and I can kind of see why so many South Africans absolutely love this thing. It is priced quite high, but that's not stopping thousands of people. I mean, I parked it at in Waterfront, and parked around me was like another 7 or 8 of this stuff in the same parking lot. You guys are probably going to see this video in a month or so's time. There is so much other content that's coming before this car, so yeah, the Land Rover, etc, etc. Now, the Liberebil merchandise, t-shirts, hoodies, crewnecks. Find all the information down in the description box below. A lot of you are always messaging me, yes, we need some t-shirts, and I'm so surprised because I always keep saying the stuff is in the description box below, so go there, check that out. We do post all around South Africa, so yeah, not overseas unfortunately, it's too expensive. So yeah, let's get on with a very surprising revelation. So I had a poll on my YouTube channel not too long ago regarding Apple and Android. You guys voted like crazy for Android. I was in the market for upgrading. Unfortunately, I postponed it because Apple didn't have anything that intrigued me. It didn't have a wide angle camera. It didn't have the beautiful edge-to-edge screen like Samsung's had, and the design just wasn't doing it for me. And I also started getting quite annoyed by Apple's business practices not allowing us to change certain things that we wanted to about the phone. It actually got to me, and I went for a Galaxy S10. Not the S10e, it didn't have the wide angle camera, and not the S10 Plus, it is way too big. So, what is my thought so far? I had Apple for about 8 years now, and I really enjoyed my time. Oh gosh, and why is this stupid sticker over here? Oh gosh, Samsung and this damn sticker, why did they do that? Come off please, I do not like you. Go away, fly. Yo, noises people's making. Sapphire, I think they call it the Sapphire Black version, and it's got the edge-to-edge display which looks so awesome with a little hole cutout punch. I've actually got a little imprint sensor as well, so what you do is you just touch your finger over there and it unlocks. The thumbprint sensor is underneath the screen. Oh, I just realized, sorted this thing fall. Oh gosh, it's so satisfying. Go away. Look at this now. So, what's my thoughts going to the Android after using Apple so long? Well, firstly, it's so customizable. I plug the phone from my Apple into here, and it set my apps up so super easy on all of the different panels. I remove the Bixby thing, and when I swipe up, it's still, if I swipe from the bottom up, there was still an Apple Pay thing, which I see is gone now. It was really annoying me. The camera is amazing. So that's the normal camera, right? The normal by 1. If I go to the wide angle, look there. Look how far away am I now? That's so awesome. Back to the normal one. And there am I again. Check out the slow-mo. biggest plus for me is just the customizable of the platform. The customization, well, customizable. the customization of the platform, the way you can drag and drop apps, I really like that. It felt like that was being kept from me with Apple. The cameras are absolutely stunning, the video is absolutely stunning. You're gonna see this thing being used as a GoPro inside the car because of the wide angle lens. It looks fantastic, I can't wait to start using it. I also like the form factor. The way the screen wraps around the edges is really cool, especially to the end of the screen, so it makes it look pretty nice. You can even play, if you play a movie, for example, where do we go? Over here. The sound, where's the, how do I rotate? So drop down, unlock that, swipe up. The sound is yeah, the sound is fantastic. Talking of Avengers, I'm actually gonna go watch it tonight. I can't wait. But yeah, so sorry that wasn't so much information. I haven't noticed too much of a difference going from Apple to Android. It's still as easy to use. It's still everything super simple. I really like it. I must say this thing is I'm pretty impressed, and I think I'm fine at the point where I can say Samsung's design wise, UI wise, and just the way the phone's laid out is so Apple-y. Like, this is like the Apple of Samsung's. It's really nice. I actually watched a video online as tech tips. We actually blasted the Huawei P30 Pro here and there on certain design aspects, certain issues it had. So yeah, I'm very happy with my decision. For those of you out there with the S10 or S10 Plus, I think you know what a bloody good thing this is. So yeah, is it as good as the Toyota Fortuner? I don't know, let's find out on the future video of the car. Anyway guys, enjoy the video further. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so sorry. MSA was just super hectic for me today. I have such a big headache, but I do have a quick announcement to make. So the MSA video is going to go up in 3 parts. We can have a part 1, a part 2, and also a motorbike part. All will be uploaded on the same day. Part 2 will be uploaded 10 minutes from the first episode, from the first part 1. I've noticed that a lot of people aren't able to watch it finished due to data restraints. So I'm breaking the video up because that will allow more people to watch, and more people to watch certain parts of the MSA. So say for example you want to show your friend the clip, you can just say, oh, it's part 2 and it's this far in, so you don't have to waste all your data. So I think 2 parts is quite, and then I can also make the video a bit longer, so maybe each part can be 15 minutes long, so I'll see how that works. But again, I was supposed to do the Q&A now. I don't think I can. I'm just not feeling well. I have a huge pounding headache and I want to be at my best when I answer you guys' questions. So if I can please ask for forgiveness, and I'm going to do the Q&A. I will answer your questions in next week's Backseat Driver, because there's a huge car report as well that I need to do on the Backseat Driver. So please guys, I hope you understand, and I'm so sorry for the short video. But yes, I've been, where's this thing? S10, where is my phone? Oh, here we go. I've really been enjoying this phone today, and I recorded I recorded wide angle clips with that Kilani, and I did slow-mo as well on it for cinematics. I'm shocked at this thing's wide angle camera, and I'm so happy I actually went for this phone now. I have experienced the odd crashes and bugs and things like that. The one thing that's also been cheesing me off about it, let me show you quickly. Okay, I need my thumbprint now. Give me a second. Use my other hand. The one thing that's been, you see now I can't get in. I must use the, okay, there we go. So the one thing is getting to me on this phone, when I try and go to, for example, settings. Oh, I can't click. Settings. For Pete's sake. Okay, so settings. Look at that. Okay, if I go to themes, right? Wallpapers and themes. It doesn't load. Can you see that? Check here, it's all blank. So if someone can explain to me why it's doing that, it would be well appreciated, and it's actually been really irritating me. So I have experienced a few odd crashes and niggles with it, which I haven't experienced on iOS or my Apple, but it's not a problem. I just need to figure out why it's doing that, also why it's not loading the stuff. So anyway guys, I'm not going to keep you here forever. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, share with your family, and enjoy tomorrow's Integra Type R video. Beef review, Liberebil out.